Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making crispy Brussels sprouts, made with just 3 ingredients and quick roasted at super high heat, then drizzled with balsamic glaze. They are delicious and just like the ones that you love ordering at restaurants. They're perfect for cooking alongside our garlic butter roast chicken and maple glazed sweet potato slices. They all cook at 425 for a complete meal that's ready in about an hour. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them plus the entire recipe in the description box below. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. In order to get the Brussels sprouts as crispy as possible, the oven needs to be super hot. Trim the bottoms of the sprouts and peel away any outer leaves if they're brown or dry. And then cut each Brussels sprout in half through the stem. If you have any big sprouts, cut them into quarters. Did you love or hate Brussels sprouts growing up? They can definitely be an acquired taste. Roasting sprouts make them sweet and tender and super delicious. Spread the Brussels sprouts onto a rimmed sheet pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil. Arrange the sprouts with the cut side down. Keep the leaves that break off, they'll char and get super crispy. If this is your first time at our channel, you will find easy, no-fail recipes to share with everyone you love, like these amazing Brussels sprouts, plus our delicious, super simple roast chicken. We share new recipes every week, and I'd love to have you join us. Subscribe to find out when we've posted new recipes. Season with salt and pepper. Roast for 15 minutes. The bottoms will brown, then stir and roast for another 10 to 15 minutes. Drizzle on the balsamic reduction glaze as soon as they come out of the oven, and I like to drizzle on a little bit more just before serving so they have that delicious, sweet, savory flavor. These are also delicious drizzled with balsamic vinegar and honey. To make this a meal, here's the recipes for the garlic butter roast chicken and maple syrup glazed sweet potatoes. They can all cook together in the 425-degree oven and be ready in about an hour. If you decide to give these a try, let me know. I'd love to hear what you think. Alright, I've enjoyed our time together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.